So this is a Year 3 group. Our topic at the moment is fitting in with our creative curriculum with ancient Egyptians, so it's healthy bodies, keeping healthy, but also linking in with our maths topic of recording information, reading information from tables. So today we're going to try and do a science investigation linking all of those things in together. So to begin with, we're going to set a context. So this is going to be an alien context to get all the children engaged in their learning and excited about what they're doing. And to give them the idea behind the FAIR test, which we have done discussion on before in class. Then after we've done that and talked through what we're going to actually measure, all the elements of a FAIR test, we're going to go outside and conduct an investigation, which I'm going to let the children lead, how to record it, how to measure it, how to make sure they're getting all the elements of a FAIR test. And then we're going to come back inside, discuss our results, compare the results with each other, and then given one set of given results, they're going to have a go at plotting that on a graph to see if they can see any trends and patterns there. So the reason that I've chosen this task is because when we did our optional SATs earlier in the year and pure maths assessment, we found that the children are really struggling to read, interpret data from tables, pictograms, tally charts. So I want to try and give them a wider range as possible of different scenarios where they can practice those skills in lots and lots of different contexts to have a go at them without having to then just look at the pure math side of it, so they're understanding the purpose behind doing it. And in working in mixed ability pairs, it's allowing the children to have those discussions with each other, and the higher ability children to support the lower ability children, and to be able to talk together without limiting that conversation. We found that that works best. This class, they love questioning, responding to each other's questions, things like that.
Healthy stuff you eat.
Okay. You know when we go into the hall and we do our PE sessions, how do we tell that whether or not we've warmed our bodies up properly to be able to do our next lot of activities? How do we tell?
We feel our heartbeat.
We feel our heartbeat. How do we do that? Do we do it like this?
Yeah. Also, or just to the left of our wrist.
That's right, we've got a few pulse points. The easiest one is on the side of your neck. Try the two fingers. Why don't you use your thumb?
Because it's got a pulse.
Because it's got a pulse point on its own. So use two fingers on the side of your neck. Or on the side of your wrist. See if you can get your pulse. We're going to see if we can count it. And we're going to count it for 15 seconds, okay? So see if you can feel your pulse. You're going to count it in your head. I'm going to say go and stop. Go. Stop. Has everybody got a number in their head of how many beats? Right, do you know what? Instead of sharing it with each other, do you know what else was in the pack? Special recording sheets. So what we're going to do is we have got your special recording sheets set up, ready. Would you say that that was an activity or a warm-up or resting? Resting. That was our pulse at rest. So we're going to write that number down here where it says resting, and then we're going to go outside and see if we can do some other activities. Okay? Yeah? Thank you. Okay. So perhaps Rose is at the top, yours at the bottom. Okay, right, when we go outside, I would like everybody to stand as close to the compass as they can, and we're going to have a look at these approved exercises. Okay. Thank you. Welcome. Okay, right, now I need a willing volunteer. Holly, let's have you step this way. Okay, I also need a book stand because it's a bit of a blowy day. Let's have you. So you're going to hold that like that for me, top and bottom, and you're going to stand like that so that everybody can make sure we're doing all of these things. And if we're not doing these things, then we need to stop what we're doing and change something. Okay? Right, let's have a look